Hello, in this video I want to show you how to complete Sorcerer Legacy of Maggie in Diablo 4. And to do this you'll need to open a map. It should be available in first level, and a zone for it is right here. So you can find waypoint here if you discovered it, but I didn't, so I need to travel from here. So when you arrive, you will see this guy right here on the map. Talk to him, then select these lines. You can read through this, I'm gonna skip it. And then you will need to recover the Forgotten Codex. So head on to the dungeon next to the guy, right here, and let's complete it. When you leave the dungeon, you should go to the quest main guy again. Talk to him. Then enter this abandoned shack. And this is also something like a dungeon, so I'm gonna skip it as well. And when you finish this dungeon, quest is complete, and here you will receive this Forgotten Codex and you can equip it. And also you can go to your skills now. Here head on to the expand right here, skills alignment, and now you can assign a skill to enchant. And in this case, let's go for this one. And here you have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.